Ekotite.
Goko Frolini arakinyite gushaje mu mashabiki yake no itanya rya kereti na kinyana na thutha wake gutukura mutumia umwe uri no mwe wa aini abadi yake kiaruini kiedege kia Jomo Kenyatta.
Who gave that person the authority to revoke his visa without justification? What kind of justification has he got? And if he has it actually come through the courts of law?
Olomide ashokirio kwa Frolini areheirwo ndege ni thirikari ya Kenya thutha wake kurana session ni ya borithi ya JKIA.
Takuya kupika muziki.
Songa photo.
Mwini ucio wa Lingala ashokirio ona atari passport yake. Olomide na aini acio ake atatorene hamwe na uria urerikana gutukuro iteke riu maraire session ya borithi thutha wa gwikio ngoro makiuma guku kambuni ya Royal Media Services. Arare session ya Citizen TV hwai waira kuria arakanire kugutha mutumia ucio akiuga ati ni kumugitira na muritagira no wakiri wake akiere na andikia mohoro kia haru-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta ni ariganite na uhoro ucio.
One pickpocket and one girl they start
so how did it come to your attention that it was in fact a pickpocket?
A big noise like people fighting behind me. I came to stop them because I was how you say in English, I was doing an interview.
You were distracted.
Yes, that's why I came there. My idea was not to offense, to beat. Your words are very hard. I'm very shocked.
Wala kuriugo wakiri ucio ni amenerie thirikari kumana na kwamurithia mwini ucio guku bururi-ini akiuga ati ndanaheyo kamweke ga gwitetera.
If Kofi did a mistake, yes, he has to be punished by the law. He has to be arraigned before the courts, and he has actually to be fairly represented. So the Democratic Republic of Congo, through their embassy, are very agitated with the way their national has been treated like a dog.
Bomas of Kenya kuri Olomide aratanyitwo gutafania dashi iyo hwaini wa umuthi na kugutiri na mehariria maingi marathie na mbere.
Because you can see there's no activity here. It's ready for the performance. Totally our activities has been moved to another venue. Just to allow, because this is a paid off hall. Is for the client from as late as yesterday evening.
Session-ini ya borithi ya Jomo Kenyatta Olomide na atatu acio marandikirwo kugagia thayo. Giribotira Inoro TV ritwarikana Macharia wa Gachuru.